Giant versus IMAX screen. With a wide range of different screen sizes and technologies in the market, distinguishing them from each other can be technically challenging. For instance, how do you distinguish typical screens, Giant and IMAX? In this post, we share valuable insights on the Giant Screen versus IMAX and much more. This channel mainly shares some professional knowledge about LED display, including design, application, production, and other content introduction. Welcome to subscribe to our channel and open the little bell. You will not miss any more LED display-related information. If this video is helpful to you, also welcome to like and collect the video. If you have any insights and questions about our content, feel free to leave a message in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In this video, we'll introduce what is Giant Screen VS IMAX from 5 angles, respectively. Table of contents. 1. Giant vs IMAX key differences. Large screens application areas. Theaters, outdoor movies, events, and exhibitions. Advertising. Corporate presentations. Major sporting events. Live shows and concerts. 2. What is IMAX? 3. Key benefits of IMAX screens. 4. Giant versus IMAX screen. Which one should you choose? 5. Conclusion. Giant vs IMAX. Key differences. The most noticeable difference between the typical screens and large screens such as Giant and IMAX are their sizes and applications. Large screens application areas. Below are some of the areas where you will find Giant screens installed. 1. Theaters, outdoor movies, events, and exhibitions. High-resolution Giant screens such as 8K Giant LED displays are a perfect choice for immersive indoor or outdoor cinema viewing experiences, premium events, and high-value exhibitions. 2. Advertising. Giant screens such as large LED screens are used for modern advertising on strategically located buildings in high-traffic cities, airports, shopping malls, and open public areas. 3. Corporate presentations. Large corporations use giant screens to communicate with large target audiences such as employees, shareholders, or other target stakeholders. They are used to convey certain information such as sales reports, customer ratings, or performance indicators, among others. 4. Major sporting events. Giant screens are also used to broadcast live matches to ensure that fans do not miss what matters to them the most. You can imagine the feeling sports fans have as they watch themselves on giant screens during a World Cup match. Sensational. 5. Live shows and concerts. In major live performance events, huge screens are used to bring audiences much closer to where actions happen in real time for the ultimate immersive experience. What is IMAX? IMAX as a brand name stands for Image Maximum. This refers to a high-resolution film format from IMAX Corporation. The company utilizes large film formats and is also specialized in the design of IMAX theaters. IMAX screen Venuses are large in design. Their curved IMAX screens, seats, and enhanced audio systems provide viewers with an unforgettable immersive experience. Key benefits of IMAX screens. Below are some of the benefits you derive from being an IMAX screen fan. 1. Large viewing area. With its typical size spanning about 22 meters in width, IMAX provides you with a large viewing area and angle. This ensures you capture more content details irrespective of your sitting position. Watching a movie feels like you are right in the movie scene. 2. Value for money. Even though IMAX screens will cost you more bucks, the viewing experience it provides is worth the cost. 3. Unparalleled sound system. IMAX Screen delivers a lifelike and innovative high-quality sound system that gets you hooked and lost in the screen. This is made possible by its Dolby Surround sound system. 4. Superior high-quality images. IMAX screen content is created using special camera lenses. It also uses double and advanced projectors with higher resolutions. With IMAX, 12K image resolution is a new reality. These guarantees you super clear and brighter images for a captivating viewing experience. 5. IMAX 3D for immersive experience. With IMAX 3D, you will feel like you are right inside the movie. For your home viewing experience, it is equipped with multiple 3D viewing settings to suit your preference. 6. IMAX venues are spacious and comfortable. IMAX screen content or movies are watched in specially built IMAX venues or theaters. They come with spacious and adjustable seats for maximum comfort. IMAX screen venues are also equipped with special lighting systems. These can be adjusted to suit your viewing flavor. Giant versus IMAX screen. Which one should you choose? Both the Giant and IMAX screens have unique features that make them both worth experiencing. Deciding to either go for Giant Screen or IMAX may be determined by the specific movie format you wish to watch, among other personal factors. For instance, if the movie or documentary you want to watch is IMAX ready, you will have no option but go for an IMAX screen. If you are used to standard home screens and you just need to dive into an immersive cinema world for a change, a Giant Screen is your better option. However, if you want viewers to experience super high image quality with amazing sound experience, IMAX is your magical screen of choice. And given that some facilities such as theaters may have viewing options for both Giant Screens and IMAX screens, your choice is fully based on your preference. Conclusion. In comparing Giant Screens versus IMAX, it is evident that you will be captivated by the immersive cinema experience that both screens provide. Compared to IMAX, Giant Screens are generally budget-friendly when it comes to purchase price, installation, and ticket costs. IMAX screens are driven by innovative technology that delivers super clear and sharp images with impressive sound quality for a unique and specialized viewing experience. Choosing either a Giant Screen or IMAX for personal use should be based on your personal preference. However, for advertising or other corporate needs, your decision should be determined by where you want to install it, the target viewers, what you wish to achieve, and the budget. In addition, we summarized a complete set of LED display industry applications PDF document. Welcome to click on the link in the description for free access. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We will continue to share more valuable LED display-related content. Now we want to hear from you. What is your idea about the Giant Screen VS IMAX? Let's discuss it together in the comments section.